What's up, team? Hope everyone having a good weekend. Sorry, I'm having a busy weekend, so I have to pre-record Zoom for y'all. So I'm gonna just hop into it. I got a few names. I'll give you my opinion on spying cues, as I usually do. Okay, so we're coming off a great bullish week. Um, we had a very strong momentum. So it's obvious goes up, must come down. So we definitely gonna come down this week. And I'm pretty sure it's gonna start happening either halfway through the day tomorrow or might be an hour and a half into the day, but we're definitely gonna start basically some exhaustion is gonna start happening because, my opinion, I think we already pushed too high. So I think the cues are looking heavier than SPY, and I'll let you guys know what right now. So this is SPY. We have strong candle on Friday. As you know, we had a strong ending week. Strong Friday. It was straight momentum. Trend is your friend. Straight to the upside. RSI still has room to go higher. This is why I said SPY looks slightly stronger because it has a lot of room to the upside on the RSI still. And MACD also looks good. Still on the positive side. Bulls are still looking to increase. And we don't have a light change on the tint on the green. So, my opinion, we open above 410, right? Let me see, 410. Let me see my numbers. Correct. Okay. So, yeah, if we open above 410, 70 area, we could possibly go to 412 and then reject. Now, if we go under 407, we going short. Okay. Now, Qs, this is why I said the Qs look a little heavier. This is why, because they're close to the overbought zone on the RSI, so it could easily start coming down quick. So that's why I'm saying that. And as you can see, we already got a few consecutive green candles on the daily. So the Qs, I'm not really looking for longs on the Qs. I'm more on the short side. So once we get under 318.50 around there, yeah, 318.50. I'll watch that zone to try to go short on Qs. Okay. So names I want to go over. I have a few. I know we in some swings. If I'm not mistaken, let me check the chat, the Discord. Uh, no, we ain't not in no swings actually. I apologize. We got out of the Orioles. We took about 15% on Friday. All right. Well, these are all fresh plays. All right. So the first one I want to talk about is, oh no, FCX. FCX is the swing that we're in. So look at FCX. That's one of the swings. I apologize. I knew there was one. So FCX is definitely one. Yeah. So reason I'm in FCX swing, look, nice strong Friday. The only thing that's stopping us is about let me see where it closed at 40. So on Friday we actually hit 41.007 on FCX. So once FCX breaks 41.15, we definitely got room to go higher. And the reason I chose the swing is because we're already broke this recent resistance on the RSI. So it's showing strength to go high, at least to 61, at least 61 or 61.20 area on the RSI, which is good. But it's definitely legging up higher. MACD still looks strong. We got this increasing. So everything looks good for the swing. This is also another, hold on, let me show you guys another thing why I like this for the swing. This is a strong bounce zone off a resist. This was the resistance on FCX over here. And look, I'm gonna show you guys. See the resistance? It bounced off of that resistance. This is resistance and it's bouncing. So that's a good indicator. So expect to we printed on Friday on it. Some people took profit, some people trimmed. I'm still in. See where we at tomorrow. All right. So let's get to it. I was putting my charger in. Sorry about that. So FSLR, we got FSLR approaching all-time highs. So I want to see if we can catch this play. Everything looks strong. Nice bounce off the white RSI line. Pivot there. Looks like the bears are getting exhausted on the MAC. We got a nice little double bottom almost on the MACD. Now, usually when stocks start breaching all-time highs, they go woof, $5 or better. So we're gonna watch this one above 220.55 FSLR. All right. I got another energy. I'm liking energy this week, to be honest. And oil, maybe. See what happens in the morning. So SWI, this is probably a small account one. So I like SWI. We got a nice strong candle on Friday. This is obviously a demand zone, as you guys can see. A lot of confluence on this. A lot of buys come in on this zone, either here to push up or little wicks here as well on these days to push it up. And now it looks like it wants to hold this level. So RSI, strong too. MACD, oops, sorry. Sorry about that. MACD also looks, they just kissed and the bulls are in. So this is a good sign, very good sign. So you could either get in above this volume profile line, this default line. I like the price level of $8.70. So for us to watch, so we could go higher. So watch that zone. Do I got another energy? No. All right, so Dollar General, it's one on the watch list. Like this one a lot, actually. I feel like it's coming off of lows. We having a strong week, so it might be a lagger that is coming to, maybe this week is the week that it pushes to the upside, especially with Walmart, BJ's, they were all moving good. They're like in the same sector. We got a nice little ugly, well, coming off of an ugly little inverse head and shoulder here, pushing strong to the upside. So this is good RSI. MACD is also confirming strong bullish movement. So we gonna watch Dollar General above 212.60 to go for the longs, right? I like Whirlpool. Haven't played this one in a long time, but when it moves, it moves. So I'm watching Whirlpool above 133.65. Everything is lining up to the upside. I feel like if we could go above 133.65, we could definitely touch 135. And then from there, at least 137.5. So we can watch Whirlpool. Our side, MACD looks good as usual. I like Wayfair as well. Wayfair looks good. Nice little consolidation here on trading the last week. So if we still bullish, at least tomorrow, one more day, I think this thing could push at least to my 21 moving average. EMA, sorry. So I like Wayfair above 33. I'm sorry, 35.55. So break size little trading channel basically, which is that price range that I mentioned, 35.55. Definitely could bring it higher to at least 36 and 36.40 maybe. We look good on both ends on the indicator here as well. Another one, Beyond Meat. Let's see if the vegans come out and play. So I'm watching Beyond Meat above $17.15 for the 17.5 calls. This could be a good move, almost to 18, maybe better. Everything looks good. Everything. Double bottom RSI ready to go. We already crossed. this kisses and green bear both come in on the Mac, then we get a strong move, in my opinion, tomorrow. So we watching Beyond Meat above 17.15. Sorry about that. 17.15. All right. I like GE, but I have no entry on it. So I'm just gonna watch it tomorrow. I just like the strong ending on Friday. Feel this wick and better actually. So and RSI looks strong too. MACD also. So this is just a side play that I want to watch on the side, GE, General Electric. I'm pretty sure if we open up 96, we go higher. So let's see. Okay, GE, Beyond. I got about three more and that's it, team. Um, Unfi, United Foods, Natural Foods, United Natural Foods, right? So I like United Natural Foods above 26.75. So 26.75 to get us definitely to 27 and a half almost. Everything looks good. We just finally pushed out of this oversold. It was oversold for so long. So it's finally entering a safer area on the RSI with strength to push higher. Made a pivot bounce right on my green line that indicates the uh, divergence to the upside possibly. So bounced right off my green line to show that buyers are in and start coming up. These are the safe areas to buy in the RSIs in my opinion. Right when it's crossing or either bouncing and like I'll say halfway. Over here is dangerous to buy calls. Buy calls above here or this area. Best thing to do is day trade it. Don't even think about swinging because it could get sold quick. Overbought, so dangerous. So we watching Unfi above 26.75. So I also like Stanley Black and Decker above 81.70. 81.70. 81.70 could push us at least to 83, I'll say. 83, maybe more. Everything is strong. RSI strong. MACD as well. All right, and this is a beautiful, beautiful buy zone. Look, over here bounce. Over here we bounce right off of the I'm sorry, my 21 over here. Over here it bounced too a little bit. So this is a good buy zone. So Stanley, Black and Decker, and last but not least, SBLK, Starbuck. I like Starbuck above 21.47. I believe they got 21 and a half of calls, if not 22. But look, we've been consolidating even in this strong week we had. And nice candle ending on Friday with the RSI also pointing to go higher with a nice little swing, a little pivot bounce, basically a higher low swing pivot on the RSI to show that it's showing strength to go higher. And this is about to kiss the MACD with the bears getting very weak on Friday. So could come in Monday for a bull move on Starbuck. I like the level 21.47, like I mentioned. I'm sorry. Yes. All right. That's it, gang. Futures right now is, let me check it for y'all real quick. We're red right now, so I mean it's expected. Let's see how we wake up in the morning. All right, gang. See you tomorrow. Have a good one.